Hey guys, welcome back. I'm glad that you're here. And just to start off, I want to apologize for this video being super short. But it's not my fault. It's very hard to create a painting of someone that lives in the same house as you. So this tutorial that you're seeing, or just this quick video of me, uh-oh, pause. Sorry about that. So this video that I'm showing you is basically a portrait that I did of my husband for his upcoming birthday, and I apologize for not uploading a video in a timely manner because I had to post this video after his birthday passed and it didn't sync with my posting schedule that I usually post. So to get started, I showed at the beginning of the video a 2 and a 4 count round tip brush that I'm using, and I'll be using a flat brush for this painting. This painting is more of a silhouette type that you will see further on in the video. So it's basically an abstract image of him. It's not a full detailed like real portrait type, but it's abstract, and I love abstract more than I love portraits, even though I love portraits too, but abstract has always been like my first favorite. So I'm basically just filling in the silhouette portions, and then I'm going to do the rest in the rest of the video. Okay, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed. And as I said, I know it's pretty short, but I do try to show as much as I can. And yeah, let's move forward. So I'm just getting some of the outline going, but I have to tape these edges that you see on the painting because the background is going to be full black. So a lot of people may use brushes to paint their background portion of their art, but I'm kind of straying away from the brush. I mean, the brush strokes are nice, but I'm not really a big fan of the brush strokes. So I decided to get a roller. They're much faster, and the smoothness that you get from the roller is much better than the brush strokes. I get that some paintings look nice with brush strokes, but for this particular painting, I didn't want to use any brushes. So the roller is what it is. Okay, so my paint roller background is looking good so far. And with the roller, you kind of have to do more than one quotes. But for now, I actually did that off camera and it's looking good. So let's move on. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take the tape off because I still have to line those areas, because actually those white areas are gonna be like square shapes on the painting. I'm just gonna go ahead and line that up, and I'm gonna make some changes also to make the lines a little bit smaller. They are not gonna be that wide. So this is basically it. As I said, I apologize for the video being this short, but I hope that you like it either way. And don't forget to like and subscribe, mostly like, because it does help the video to go into the algorithm so other people can see it, blah, blah, blah. You know the details by now, right? So thanks again for watching. I'm going to give you a quick glimpse of the finishing product. There we go. And I think it came out great. I think he's gonna love it. I have not showed him this yet, so I'm hoping he like faints or something from the awesomeness of this painting. So thanks for watching again. Peace.